Welcome to GeoFli. GeoFli allows enrollment management offices and college marketing teams to easily replace existing website content based on their visitor's location. In this example, we're going to change what any website visitor from the New England area sees when visiting the Cabrini admissions homepage. So our first step was to select the page, which is the admissions homepage. And next, what we're going to do is target the website visitors that we want to replace content for. So in our location library, we can select a state, but instead we're going to choose a 50-mile radius of Boston. Any website visitor within that circle, what do we want them to see? Now, this next step is the most fun. This is the part where anybody can click start and simply, using this indicator, change the website content without bothering IT, without fumbling with your CMS. You can simply log in and change whatever you like. So let's change this header at the top of the page. For anybody in the New England area, specifically Boston, the admissions counselor, we're going to be in a NACAC college fair coming up real soon. So we want to make sure people know about that. We're coming to Boston. Now, what else do we want to change? Well, we want to give them a place to sign up. So we're going to change that call to action text from apply here to New England meetups. So now anybody visiting from Boston, they can click this button and actually register to meet with an admissions counselor while they're in the New England area. Let's try to change an image. So we'll choose this first image here, and rather than kind of a generic sort of classroom shot, we're going to change our alt text for American Disability Act purposes there. And all of a sudden now, when somebody from Boston visits the Cabrini College homepage, or admissions homepage, they're going to see a great call to action to meet up. They're going to see a Boston alumni group. They can click on that, and maybe there's content that already exists. And it just so happens that there does. So there's a great alumni section, alumni profiles on Cabrini's website. Surface some of these for students visiting from that area. So where's Justin from? Well, let's say he's from the Boston area. Let people know about him. How about this woman? Well, it looks like she's from Philadelphia. So anybody visiting from that area, they should see her story. With GeoFli, you can create unlimited regions. This is an example from the University of Montana, Seattle region. Students can actually see Seattle internships happening now. They can click to meet with an admissions counselor next time they're in that area. And there's also this program called Western Undergraduate Exchange, which is really specific to certain states. So they can click on that link right from the admissions page. Let's preview the Portland area. Again, anybody visiting the admissions page from Portland, they're going to see something different. Similar text, because that Western Undergraduate Exchange program is available to them. Now, recognizing that not all regions fit nicely into states or radius targeting, with GeoFli you can also build custom regions. So what we're looking at here is actually the Blackfeet Indian Reservation here in Montana. We've got an American Indian tuition waiver that we really want people from that area to know about because it's underutilized, it's buried in our website right now. So let's bring that to the front. If your enrollment management team is thinking, hey, we've got to boost our international enrollment, GeoFli is a great tool to sort of help students navigate that difficult process and also connect. So that's a team of students that attend the University of Montana that are from Brazil originally. So it adds that personal touch. Just a quick look at our homepage. Feel free to visit geofli.com and watch some more of our videos. We definitely feature a ton of different ideas there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We look forward to talking soon.